Well, hi everybody. Good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we look at things this morning. Very gloomy. We've had a few occasional hit or miss showers. This rain is not likely to amount in a lot of heavy rainfall, a lot of additional beneficial rainfall, but it is very damp this morning. Many of us have had drizzle and fog out there this morning. Now we have, I'll kind of point this out. I pointed it out yesterday. We have this comma shape, basically, this comma tail through our area, culminating in an area of upper level low pressure just west of Scotts Bluff. It's actually in eastern Wyoming. I just can't draw the map on the map exactly where it is here because it's not quite on the map yet. But that low pressure will move into the panhandle later on today. Meanwhile, that comma tail that we have here in central Nebraska will shift to the east and to the northeast as we go through the day today. So eventually it will take the better chances of rain with it into eastern Nebraska this afternoon. So we have a chance through about noon in the Tri-Cities. Better chances will then push eastward here. Meanwhile, and as that low pressure moves, it'll be right here. We're going to get a punch of drier air. We call that a dry slot or a dry punch that moves into southwest Nebraska. So there will be some sunshine in these locations here. Will there be sun in the Tri-Cities? If there is, it won't be much. It's going to be mostly cloudy. I wouldn't count on much sun. So where there's sun, that's where the warmest temperatures will be. And it'll be much cooler the farther east you go with those thicker clouds and that chance of rain off towards the east. Okay, so that area of low pressure that we talk about here near Chadron, it's going to make eastward progress as we head into tonight here. So I'm going to play this out very slowly here. There will be one last push of moisture, mainly near and north of Interstate 80. This is this evening here. Moves into central Nebraska later on tonight. So if we see anything in the Tri-Cities, it would be after midnight. But the chances are better as you go to the north of the Tri-Cities into central and the northern portions of Nebraska. That'll push through central Nebraska later on in the nighttime hours from midnight to 4 a.m. there. Again, mainly north of the Tri-Cities. And then as we get towards sunrise tomorrow or just before sunrise, moving into northeast portions of Nebraska. That's where our low pressure will be, is up there. As we head through the day tomorrow, that low will push off to the northeast very slowly, pushing into Iowa later in the morning. We'll be clearing up the skies back towards the west behind that area, but to the east, the clouds are going to hold tough, and there still could be some isolated showers in the afternoon over the eastern part of the state, mainly east of Highway 281 there. A chance of rainfall anywhere east of Highway 281. It would be light showers, very hit or miss in the afternoon hours, then pushing away from us during the evening as skies completely clear up Saturday night. Temperatures out there for today. Likely to stay coolest in the east with the thickest clouds and the best chance of rain this afternoon. I would not be surprised if the Tri-Cities don't make it to the 60s today. Yesterday it didn't make it to the 60s because of the thick clouds. I have low 60s, but would not be surprised if it's upper 50s. Best chance of mid and upper 60s will be out to the west and southwest where there will be some sunshine. For tonight, falling back into the mid and upper 50s and lower 60s for overnight lows. Tomorrow then warming it up, although eastern Nebraska with the clouds holding tough and maybe some afternoon light showers might struggle to 70 degrees. The rest of us into the 70s, including maybe some upper 70s out west. Tonight then tomorrow night, into Sunday morning, dropping back into the mid to upper 40s to near 50 degrees. So one of the cooler nights that we'll see in the long range forecast, and then a warmer day on Sunday. Most of us into the 80s, including maybe some mid and upper 80s out towards the west and northwest. So let's look at that 3-day forecast, summing that up. Again, we go from cool and cloudy, dreary today to a little more sun tomorrow. It won't be complete sunshine. More sun in the afternoon compared to the morning. Highs in the mid-70s. And then lower 80s on Sunday with lots of sun. A little breezy on Monday with temperatures in the right around 80 degrees. Lots of sunshine. A little warmer on Tuesday. How about mid-80s? It will be another breezy day out there. The warmest day will be on Wednesday. We're talking mid to upper 80s, some 90s possibly out west. Then Thursday's kind of the iffy part of the forecast right now. I have a couple of long-range forecast models. The European forecast model cools us back into the 60s and 50s. And the GFS American forecast model keeps us in the 80s and 90s on Thursday. So where do you go right now? Well, I'm playing the middle ground. This forecast is likely subject to change. The European forecast model, with basically bringing a cold front in, the other one does not. If the cold front comes through, we may see some moisture we have to add in. That's still a bit iffy right now, as that one's not even completely for sure here. So I'll say it again. Watch that part of the forecast. It's likely to change. I have no confidence after Wednesday's forecast on how things will actually play out, so I'm not even going to show the 10-day forecast because there's no use showing it because the forecast models are so different after Wednesday. So with that, I'll let you all go. I want to thank you all for watching. We're looking forward to a chance to dry out this weekend. Some nicer, warmer weather ahead of us as well. Hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will talk to you all again on Monday morning. Take care, and God bless. Bye.